Hello everyone, this is Chirag Sinma, Academic Director of IIB Latur. I am basically graduate in biochemistry with vocational biotechnology and I have done my masters in biotechnology. My journey to become a teacher started a long back ago when I was continuing my education. In the initial days, my journey started with a small village actually, with around 600 members in the village. Not even actually 600 families, but actually 600 members in the village. And what I realized over a period of time is guidance, proper education is so much important at the right moment because that decide your entire life in future. In the initial days when I was doing my schooling in village, there was lack of proper guidance and what the teacher said was the ultimate words for the student to become and choose a career actually. So thus, one of the teachers said that you can choose to go to a Xavier's college and try to become a teacher in future. And so I opted the same one actually. So when I went to St. Xavier's College, there along with my college professors, I started a part-time teaching. At that time, teaching was only a part-time profession, but not a passion. But continuing the same journey throughout 2-3 years, gradually I developed the interest in teaching. And what I understood is, if we get a proper guidance at a proper time, we can actually conquer many exams which we face today and which we believe that they are tough today. So thus, I thought to opt for teaching as a career and initially started my career with chemistry teaching. See how accidentally things turn out and how accidentally things change actually. So, like today's generation is so much determined that they want to become a doctor, they want to become an engineer. But my life did not started with the same type of determination. I was quite, having a lot of unawareness about education. Even in the initial days of my schooling, I even did not know that to become a doctor, we need to opt for maths or biology actually. So that was, that much amount of unawareness was there in me. Thus, when I grew up, I realized that once if we have a proper track, if we have a proper guidance, we can actually conquer any exam at that particular time because knowledge is important. But a specific knowledge, a specific dream, a targeted knowledge, a targeted dream is more important to conquer any destination. So thus I realized the same fact and then turned myself into a lecturer of biology and started training students for the medical entrance exam. So within like 4 years of journey, I reached today as an academic director of IIB Latur. IIB, that is Ideal Institute of Biology, is located in Nanded as well as Latur. These two branches with combined effort give nearly thousands of doctors every year to Maharashtra. Last year in the NEET examination, 1215 plus students basically qualified the NET exam, that is National Eligibility Cum Entrance exam, and they were placed into the medical college. With that data, today we have reached to a destination of that in every medical college, out of every 5 students, 1 student is an IIBian. With this small journey, many people ask who is your ideal to become a teacher or who is your ideal to become a mentor. I personally believe that there should not be any ideal in life because if we have ideal in life, we follow the same path which was created by the ideal and reach the same destination which our ideal has reached actually. We cannot go beyond it. We cannot create a new path. So I personally believe there should not be any ideal in life. We should carve our own path. We should create our own methodology. We should train our own minds because what I believe is either you can follow a path which was created by someone and reach a destination, or you can create a small path, you can create a small methodology, let it be a small success, but that small success should be your own, that small path should be your own, and that small methodology should be of your own. And interacting with the student's mind, I today believe actually today's students don't lack intelligence. because lot of digital media available with them, lot of awareness available with them, lot of guidance available with them. So intelligence is not an issue today among students, but consistency is the issue among students. So to provide a proper consistency at IIB Latur, we mentor the student in a way so that they develop an aptitude and attitude to see towards each and every problem of life as well as the examination. At IIB, we believe in training students and even uplifting the students for NEET examination. Every year, IIB FAST, that is free admission cum scholarship test, is conducted, which nearly we give free ship to 2,000 students, that is nearly, and fees of 4 crore 80 lakhs rupees is basically given as scholarship to the students. And this is done based on an examination conducted where we do a talent search exam, as well as the few which are economically weaker section of the society, to uplift them and to reach a better quality of education to those students. We have initialized this exam as called IIB FAST. And people ask, how was your struggle and how was your journey throughout your and what all sacrifice you made to become a good teacher or academic director to this position? What I personally believe is, whatever you do in your life to uplift yourself is not a sacrifice, is not a struggle. People share it as a struggle, people share it as a sacrifice, what you made. But what I personally feel is, to uplift yourself, whatever you have done is actually your role to design your life. So thus, that should not be considered as struggle or a sacrifice. And at IIB Latur, along with IIB Nanded, we have initiated the IIB digital program to reach maximum students throughout Maharashtra, to enhance a quality education among students, to uplift the ratio or success ratio in the NEET examination. So I welcome all the students and thank you the students who have nominated me for a biology teacher and good mentor. My personal goal of life is only one thing. What I believe is, donating money is quite difficult. Donating organ is more difficult, but donating a vision is nearly next to impossible. But what I will is in my life to donate a vision among student, to determine, to have dedication among student, and to be a focus among students, to lead a disciplined life. The only way we achieve our dream is actually hard work. There is no secret to success. There is no shortcut to success. When we listen to many of the inspirational stories, the only outcome we get is actually their hard work and dedication and determination for obtaining their dream. So, for all the medicos who are preparing and on this digital platform of Brand Opus, thank you, the jury members, thank you to the students for opting me as the best, for nominating me and selecting me as the best biology teacher and a good mentor for biology. And we hope at IIB Latur as well as IIB Nanded, you will enjoy your journey for NEET preparation. We welcome you all to IIB Latur.